FORZA Laser was present in Monterrey, Mexico from May 7th to 9th, 2024. This was the epicenter of metalworking innovation, with the celebration of FABTECH held in over 27,000 square meters at Centromex, where the latest in metal cutting, welding, and finishing technology was showcased. With over 10,000 visitors, FABTECH Monterrey 2024 broke attendance records, establishing itself as the most important business platform in the sector in Latin America. 4 halls packed with innovation, welding, manufacturing, metal forming, and finishing showcased more than 300 machines operating live. According to the local press, the influx of national and international visitors generated an economic impact of over 50 million pesos in the region, benefiting sectors such as hospitality, transportation, and tourism. FABTECH Monterrey 2024 stood out for its focus on automation and cutting-edge technology. The exhibits ranged from welding and laser cutting machinery to robotics and additive manufacturing. FORZA Laser, with its constant innovation, is part of the advancement of technology, with high expectations for FABTECH 2025. Beyond the exhibits, FABTECH Monterrey was a space for knowledge and collaboration. Prominent speakers addressed crucial topics such as nearshoring, process digitalization, and investment opportunities in the Mexican metalworking industry. Geronimo Garcia Debre, CEO of Grupo Form. Nearshoring is redefining the industry. Mexico has a unique opportunity to attract investment and improve its technological infrastructure. FABTECH Monterrey 2024 and not only showcased the present of the metalworking industry, but also projected its future. An event that promoted innovation, technological development, and international collaboration. See you at the next edition of FABTECH 2025.